Team, in this video, I'm going to go over foam rolling and a general foam rolling protocol you can start with. Remember, we always want to loosen up the muscle, stretch the muscle, warm up the muscle, and then work the muscle. Enjoy. The glute stretch is to make sure that the knee that is up is the side that you're going to lean over to work that glute. On the hamstring stretch, what I'm focusing on is making sure that I don't roll behind the back of the knee and I roll all the way up to the glute. The key here is to change the angle of your foot in, straight, and out. Calf rolling is very similar to the hamstring. The key here is stay below the back of your knee in the calf area and make sure you change your foot angle on each roll as well. By wrapping your hands around yourself on the upper back stretch, it really allows your shoulders to separate so you can get in between that area to really get a nice roll within the back. The lat may just be an area where you want to hold the foam roller in one position. Start under your armpit and roll back and forward, or just simply hold the position of the lat in the area with that foam roller to start off with. Super sensitive foam rolling area, the adductor. The key here is to roll from the inner part of your knee all the way in towards your groin and back. Take your time. This can be very challenging. Make sure that the knee that is up towards your hip, the foot is also on the same side of the roller. Lastly, we have the quads, which are the front of your thighs. Simply start with the foam roller above your knees, roll up towards your hip and back down. Just don't roll over your kneecaps. Thank you guys for watching the video. There's another video I've posted which actually tells you the benefits of foam rolling. I'll put the link for that video in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and feel free to share it.